What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of my vlog. So for today's video ay samahan nyo akong i-review ang bagong pickup ng Mitsubishi which is the Mitsubishi Triton GX Automatic 2026. So tara and let's review the unit. Let's go! So guys, this is the Mitsubishi Triton GX Automatic 2026. SRP is 1,430,000 and currently naka-promo siya for only 32,000 all in DP for RCBC, BPI, Video, and MMFP banks. So let's go and review the unit. So guys, as you can see, same design pa rin siya ng mga top of the line ng Triton. So ang difference lang niya is hindi siya naka LED headlamps kundi naka halogen. Same with the DRL niya guys. Tapos ito yung fascia niya guys. Then guys, as you can see, kung mapapansin nyo, mas maganda yung design niya ngayon. So, guys, pag yung 32,000 is hindi pa siya formado. Pero kung may addition na katulad nito, fender flare, tapos may maganda siyang mags, and then naka bolt cladding din siya, guys. Then it has roof rail. Then meron siyang rain visor. Tapos sa loob naman, naka leather seat na guys. So yan, kapag additional kayo niyan, so 32,000 plus 115,000. Pero guys, pwedeng customize yon. Pwedeng customize just like, halimbawa, kung gusto nyo lang i-avail is yung fender flare at saka yung gulong, so pwede. O kaya yung bolt cladding, tsaka roof rail, pwede naman guys. So, 32,000 plus 115 because of the additional accessories guys. So, ayan yung loob niya. Bali, GC edition to, Grand Canyon edition. Then same pa rin sa unahan, no, guys. So, analog yung kanyang meter cluster. Tapos yung kanyang steering wheel, meron siyang audio controls and phone controls. Tapos meron siyang 8-inch LCD display where you can able to play audio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. So, pag pinindot natin to yung camera. So, ayan. Tapos, manual naman yung kanyang aircon. Tapos, ito yung shift knob. Then, may cup holders. Plus, armrest. Na may lagayan din. Tapos, dito naman guys, so, may additional compartment ka dito. Tapos, iba pa tong glove box. Tapos, it has 2 airbags. So, 1 and 2. Then, you have the cabin light. Meron din dito. So, dalawa guys. Tapos, dito naman, you have pwedeng pag-charge ng cellphone. Tapos, meron ditong document holder. So, ayan guys. So, eto siya. Naka-leather seat. So, ayun lang. And then, yung likod niya naman is maganda. So, kung gusto nyo i-avail yan, pwedeng i-customize kahit ano lang yung gusto nyo, no? Tapos guys, eto, so may rear camera ka na sa likod. So, pag aatras, mas mabilis na lang. And then, eto yung likod. So guys, eto yung likod. So, dyan mo na nilagay yung mga plastic ng accessories if ever gusto na, if ever na may gusto na client na mag-take nung unit, pwede na maitapon later, no? So, that's it, guys. Sir. So, that's it, guys. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa pagbablog ko. For more inquiries, please call the number below. And for more information, chat nyo lang ako or text sa Facebook page ko, which is Summer C. Diamante dash Mitsubishi Grand Canyon Calamba, guys. So, that's it. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!